Alright, so this is my $1 gel, and this is my $20 gel. So I'm just gonna read some of the ingredients and like directions on the $1 bottle. So starting with the directions, it says rub desired amount of gel between hands and apply onto dry or wet hair and style. That's really all it says, to be honest. It just says non-sticky and ingredients. It does look pretty thick and does look pretty moisturizing, so kind of excited for that, but yeah. So on the $20 gel, everything's a little bit more detailed. It says it defines even the tightest curls while fighting frizz and humidity. So for like type 4 hair, if your hair is like really tight, this is the perfect gel for you. The gel is made for wash and goes, twists, braids, finger waves, slick styles, and ponytails. So really just an all-around gel. So I'm gonna section my hair into 4 equal quadrants. Starting off with the middle. And then I'm gonna split this section in half. Alright, so this is the section that we're gonna be working with. I'm gonna split this in half. I'm just gonna detangle it real quick. This side is gonna be for the $1 gel, and this side is gonna be for the $20 gel. I'll take the gel. Seems good actually, the consistency of it feels pretty good. And I'm just raking the product with my hands. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Smells like green apple. I actually like the look this is giving me actually. For $1, this is actually pretty good. Seems like you do need a lot of gel for each section, to be honest. I'm gonna add a little bit more for my ends. Holy bro, for $1, this is crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna split this in half also. And I'm gonna part this away.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
The consistency isn't really that bad. I'm not doing any finger coils, I'm just splitting them just to get more of a natural look. For $1, this is actually really good. Y'all might just be wasting your time buying expensive gels. Alright, this is what my hair looks like. To be honest, it's not really like getting my curls to pop, it's like making my hair more shiny. That's really all it's doing, to be honest. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this side of my head off camera and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after. I finally finished, and this gel sucks, like honestly. Like, tell me why my hair looks like it has soap in it, bro. I feel like it made my hair more tangled. Like the smell just got so annoying. It just feels like a bunch of weight. Like, oh my gosh. Now time to use the Big Papa gel. This is the $20 gel. So good, so amazing. That's what it looks like. And now I'm gonna start my first section. I'm gonna split this in half. Bro, that $1 gel is actually so bad, bro. I'm gonna use about this much. First off, it smells way better. I can't even describe the smell. I don't know what that smells like. I'm gonna detangle my ends. The consistency of it is actually so good. Yeah, look at this. So good. I don't really have to use a lot of gel for the $20 gel, to be honest. A little goes a long way.
Perfect.
This is a section with the $20 gel. With this gel, it actually looks like my curls are forming. This section is done, and I'm gonna finish the rest off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like. So this is my hair with the Big Papa gel, the $20 gel, and this is my hair with the $1 gel. This gel definitely gives my hair more volume, and like makes my curls really pop. And then this one just kind of just weighs down my hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does it looks like soap, like parts like this in my hair. It doesn't even feel like gel. You guys know what this gel feels like? This gel feels like mousse. Like after applying it, it doesn't feel like gel anymore. It feels like mousse. This was the $1 gel, and this was the $20 gel. $20 gel definitely won. This gel's definitely way more higher in quality than this. This is the end of my video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.